It's coffee o'clock and we decided to go to the one coffee shop in Canggu, and it's basically a breakfast time, and you see surrounded so busy, and most important thing is the aircon room. You see on the left, on the right, place are so busy. So that's the room basically, also inside, and I'll show you around. And yeah, this is how is the place on the left, on the right side. So busy. Hi everyone. So today we are in Canggu. I know some of you maybe doesn't like Canggu at all, or some of you really love Canggu. So previously we were in one coffee shop. It was very hot, so you know we just decided to go to have a sip in the one coffee shop. It was a pack of people. So now in the sunset time we also go to the beach, and I'll show you how it is. Seems like it's full of people. So yeah, I will stroll around to show you how it is. People keep coming and coming. So let's see. Alright, so if you are the surfer lover and behind you can rent the surfboard basically, and this one gonna be, I don't know, it's not gonna be sunset soon, but yeah, the situation is just like this. Take you to stroll around in the place. It's called Warung Times Beach. Kind of, it's not like you know, a beach club, but next to it is beach club. But on the left side, on the right side, wow, it's just pack of people. But I can say that most of the bin bag are taken. And yeah, this is how it is. Canggu, it's just like always busy. On the left side, on the right side, it's just cloudy, and it's almost, I think it's almost raining. And yeah, this is it, the situation in Canggu, basically in the Batu Bolong area, where Canggu attracts so many kinds of tourists, you know, like children, family, young tourists, but mostly yes, young tourists. But seems like children also enjoying. And surfer, you see that surround so many surfers. And yeah, this is basically how it is, the situation in Canggu. That's in the front is the lawn, and yeah, this is it. It seems like this weekend is quite busy, and you know, children are everywhere enjoying the time with their family, you know, swimming with the other surfers. So I don't know, if somebody asks us about the family-friendly beach in Bali, seems like Canggu. By looking at how many children are enjoying time by the beach, basically. Yeah. And then while the parents are having a party in the beach club over there, I'll show you, that's the lawn there. And then the children are enjoying the time by the beach. So yeah, on this side basically there are lots of local warungs, you know, the locals owner, what I can say then, with the bin bags and the restaurant owned by the locals. Meanwhile, on the right side here is the beach club, the lawn. You see, simply like people nowadays are enjoying their time by the beach club, or you know, by the warung. But this is how actually what Canggu offers. Chill out by the beach, enjoying the drinks, surfing.
Right guys, so that's me from the other side, from the driving yo. This is where we actually had the coffee, the second place by the beach. It's just actually next to the lawn, more famous place. However, the owner is the same actually, I guess. But next to it basically you have a nice zone where is the Oldsman and Motel Mexicola. Here just to show you around, doing just quick U-turn. Oldsman and the Motel Mexicola recently is new and refurbished, both of the places. One of them there is new, one of them they are refurbished. Which Motel Mexicola is new. The same like in Seminyak, but version in Canggu. I just wanted to show you. And then we're gonna continue on this street up to Deus Ex Machina. Just a little bit to show you the Canggu. Also, recently the weather has changed. It's a little bit cloudy. Hopefully it's not gonna be rainy because we are driving a bike, but should be okay. Overall, nowadays we prefer to hang out in Canggu rather than any other areas of Bali. So, you know, everything is changing. Same like with the trends in Bali are changing and the moods are changing as well. But actually it's pretty enjoyable. And also it's interesting to see how so much construction actually and so much developments everywhere. It's also pretty busy actually, even for the bad weather. Of course, it's not as busy as it used to be like a few months ago. Some events, some parties. The tourism slightly decreased recently, but it's still interesting. You can find something interesting going on. Also, since we are living in Tabanan, just simply Canggu is our closest hood. So it is, what is it? Anyways, recently I was in Kuta. The views in Kuta pretty disappointing. Most of the viewers who were interested regarding Kuta, they disappear or gone forever already, or pass away as well. It's possible, so now is the time to showing you more of Canggu. Obviously, at least they have a possibility as people who are interested about the Canggu, they're not gonna pass away tomorrow, if you know what I mean. I'm so sorry, it's a little bit sarcasm, but that's somehow true, real confirmed facts. And that's the Canggu in general. Actually, Canggu attract older community as well, more and more actually. This is very interesting. And that's like one of the main streets here. A lot of new places, like this restaurant with the glass window, looks nice and looks totally new. I don't remember recently, last time it was like this one, so it's basically same style like a walking street, well, 8th Street in Seminyak, what I filmed on yesterday's video, full of restaurants and the boutiques. It's like a 8th Street but in Canggu basically. There's no big difference. Huge parking area, more shops. Actually the parking area is huge here and it's good as they keep it because it's very needed. And this is like where the Canggu hype actually started, in this corner. That was the first coffee shops exactly here. Next to Love Anchor, actually, the Monsieur Spoon was the first place where you could get yourself the croissants and coffee back into years. But now, you see, it's like a little town, so much is going on actually. There's also Luigi's, big restaurant for the pizza, and Deus Ex Machina. Some people said it's actually due to somebody from Australia opened Deus Ex Machina here in Canggu. That's why Canggu started develop so much. Even this pizza shop on the other side of the street is new. So that's the thing. And this is GS Wing, something like 5GX in Kuta with the capsule bungee jump. And of course, little bit of the rice fields here, what left. That's very premium land right now. Basically, still left. Well, there are no rice fields actually. This land is already taken. Somebody bought this. They just nobody building anything yet. So, but there's gonna be everything on the right hand side. It will be developed earlier or later. And Santorini here is also a pretty legendary place. One of the oldest, recently after refurbishments to keep the modern standards of Canggu. In Bali it's like this one. If you have a restaurant, every few years you need to refurbish it to meet the new standards, otherwise you will be out of business, like literally out of business. It's very important. That's the characteristic of Bali. We're gonna go straight. Actually, there is like a loop Like you can go around 360 degree, make a loop. So that's, you know, like also few restaurants and the bars. They have a beer pongs here every night. This is actually where many surfers hang out around. So basically, this is it. And also Penny's Lane here was pretty successful restaurant back in the years, like before pandemic time. And there are some new ones. So this is it. Basically, a younger community of Seminyak moved to Canggu here, and Seminyak is becoming closer to Kuta vibes year by year. And also here you can see more and more developed rather than Seminyak yesterday, because in Seminyak yesterday it was actually very well, a lot of abandoned buildings, but here you can still see new places like this one. So it's cool. And even the Eastin Bali Canggu Hotel, so that's the brand new hotel recently here. And then construction of more and more hotels in the background in the future. They're gonna finish actually very soon. So as you can see, guys, I'll show you a little bit two cool places in Canggu for the morning and afternoon coffee and the vibes, a little bit surroundings what's going on. Well, hopefully not gonna be rainy because having half hour to get home. I will see you tomorrow. See ya.